morning, children. This is Jyoti and I am here to teach you SST on behalf of Jyoti Academy. Class 3rd, Chapter 3, Festival we celebrate. Yesterday we read about the religious festival and today we will read the next paragraph. Let's start. Diwali. In the picture you are seeing the festival of light, Diwali. Children, Diwali is a festival of lights and decorations. It is celebrated in the month of October and November. Children, you all know that we celebrate Diwali, and on Diwali we lighten up the lights and we decorate our houses. So this is the festival of lights and decorations. And children, Diwali is celebrated in the month of October or November. People clean, whitewash and paint their houses before Diwali. Children, when we celebrate Diwali, before Diwali, when Diwali set on the corner, we clean our houses, we whitewash our houses, we paint our houses and we decorate our houses. So people clean, whitewash and paint their houses before Diwali. On Diwali they light candles and earthen lamps called diyas and decorate their houses with colored bulb and candle, etc. Children, after cleaning up our houses, we decorate our houses and we light candles, lamps, diyas on the Diwali. On Diwali, they light candles and other lamps called diyas and decorative their houses with colored bulb and candles, etc. Children love to burn fireworks and crackers. Children, on Diwali, you burn firecrackers, fireworks, and you love it. So, children love to burn fireworks and crackers. This festival is also related to the legend of Ramayana. Children, we all know that this festival related with the legend of Ramayana. According to the legend, it is believed that on this day Ram, Sita, Lakshman returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of their exile. The people of Ayodhya illuminated the whole city to celebrate their arrival. Children, according to the legend, according to the Ramayana, it is believed that on this day Ram, Sita and Lakshman returned to Ayodhya, returned to their home after 14 years of their exile. And the people of Ayodhya lighten up the diyas, lighten up the diyas and decorate the whole city, Ayodhya, to celebrate their arrival. So children, the people of Ayodhya illuminated the whole city to celebrate their arrival. On Diwali day, people worship the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, and Lord Ganesha. Children, we all know that on Diwali we worship the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, and Lord Ganesh. Children, they believe that it will bring them wealth and prosperity. Businessmen begin their new year from this day. Children, on Diwali we worship goddess of wealth Lakshmi ji and Lord Ganesha. and we believe that it will bring us wealth and prosperity. That's why, children, all over India we celebrate Diwali, and the people worship goddess of wealth Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha, and they believe that it will bring them wealth and prosperity. And children, businessmen begin their new year from this day. From this day means on Diwali. Businessman begin their new year. Children, they start their new year from the Diwali, because this is the luckiest day for the businessman. They worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha for their good luck, for their business, because they believe it will bring them wealth and prosperity. On Diwali night, pollution most often crosses the prescribed levels. Children, do you know that on Diwali night pollution most often crosses the prescribed level? Children, on Diwali we burn firecrackers, and we burn lots of firecrackers, and this is the bad effect on our environment. It pollute the environment, and on Diwali night pollution most often crosses the prescribed level. So children, on Diwali night pollution most often crosses the prescribed level. This is all about today, and next paragraph we will read tomorrow. And children, whatever I taught you, revise it at your home. This is your homework. Thank you.